Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial session with Blocksee. This week we're going to be looking at how to add a decentralized marketplace for your NFTs and digital assets to your Squarespace site. Really excited to show you guys this one as we're making it super easy and cost effective for anyone that's looking to get into the Web3 space to just use our Web3 website builder tools for free to go ahead and get started. So for this exercise, we'll look at our Squarespace profile. Here we have some websites that I have to work on. This is an artist site we can just pull up. And so if we come into this site, we're going to actually go to our settings, and Squarespace makes it really easy for you to just go ahead and search for the header code. You see, so the code injection comes up right here. You will need a business plan for your Squarespace or site hosting. Every site is a little bit different. Some will allow you on lower tiers. Squarespace makes you pay a little bit extra just to get this in there, but it's well worth it because you'll be able to own your digital distribution channel and makes it really easy to be able to sell things like NFTs or digital tickets and stuff like that. So basically, once we come in here, what we're going to do is go over to our Blocksee account now. We can go ahead and log in. We'll just jump into one of our projects. This is one that was already created for this site, but if you haven't already done this, you can always just create a new project here. You could literally just do test, hit create project, and then jump in from there. But because this already has some projects on it, we'll go ahead and just use this project that I have pre-existing. So if we come into inventory, we can see some of these inventory assets, one of which is already listed in our marketplace. For assets that aren't already in the marketplace, what you can go ahead and do is just, like for one that says draft, go ahead and select this checkbox here on the NFT asset. And then from there, you can hit the actions menu, and you'll see that the option for add to marketplace is now actually highlighted. And you'll see that once you do that, it'll just automatically push this NFT to your website so it could become for sale. Now we just want to be able to do the one that's already kind of correlated to an artwork. So I'll go ahead and remove this one from the marketplace just by going ahead and selecting remove NFT from marketplace. We get that confirmation up here, so we know that everything's working properly, and we can always go ahead and see this reflected on our actual website. So we'll go ahead and move through this right now to be able to get it onto the website, and then you'll see it pop up live, which is great. So we can go ahead now and come to our engagement tab where we have the Blocksee Connect plugin module. And this is an a la carte serving station for you to just generate whatever it is that you're looking to add from the Web3 side of things to your existing site. So that could be a login button with a wallet functionality. It could be a user form to intake data into our CRM. It could be a token gated chat with different permissions, or a marketplace. And for this exercise, we'll just go ahead and focus on marketplace. So there's no sign in required or anything like that. We'll just select the marketplace. We'll take the header code. We'll go back to our code injection here. You can see that it was already added when we search Blocksee. You can see here, but that's where we would go ahead and paste this in. So it makes it really easy for you to see. And then if we come back to the actual pages, right, this is where we can come in. Oops. We can come into, we'll just create a new page that's not linked. So let's just say a blank page. So this is totally from scratch. If you already have a page set up, like for a landing page or anything like that, you can go ahead and use this for any page, but for demo purposes, we're gonna make this super simple as if you're starting totally from scratch. So we'll just go ahead and add a section. Okay, cool. We see that the section has been added. And as soon as we come in to go and edit this section, there'll be options that we have to just go ahead and add a different block. So we'll go ahead, when we go to add block, we'll just hit code here. And this now brings in an embedded code block that we can place directly on our website. So really cool functional thing. We can just expand this to accommodate the marketplace. So we can say we want it about yay big, have it dead center, give it a little more room. And right now it just has some basic code in there by default, but what we're going to do is actually pop back over to our Blocksee Connect plugin. And here we can go ahead and now take the actual HTML code for this and place this into our into our landing page. So we'll just go ahead and select, login. Maybe we want to change the text for the actual button. Maybe we want to make this a larger button if you're doing a login. But for this, we actually just need the marketplace, so we can just come in here, take this code. We'll go ahead and get rid of this default code that Squarespace generates, and then we'll just drop in our own from Blocksee, and it's really that easy. So now it's all saved. That code is in there. We'll just go ahead and save this site, and we'll hit exit, and then let's just get the code for this. You can already see that it started loading in the background, but new page 1 is the... So yeah, here you can see the marketplace is now live, and if we go to the actual URL and load it up, you can see that now we have a Web3 marketplace on our Squarespace website using Blocksee's free Web3 website builder tools. And now I can come in and start purchasing. So Safari doesn't have a web client, but if we come over, we can just go over to Chrome real quick. And you'll see that now any of the web extensions that we have for crypto wallets that are supported are available. And so if I go to hit buy now, it'll actually prompt my wallet to come up. So there we go. So we got MetaMask popping up now. And it'll just actually have me confirm that transaction right away. This is on Matic, so it's just like a 2-cent processing fee. And in a short amount of time, we'll have actually a login and checkout system that allows you to just do this via email and check out via credit card. So stay tuned. All of this is really just the beginning of what we think will be a really valuable tool for people looking to customize their websites and do really interesting things for their brand by offering digital collectibles, NFT ticketing, all kinds of things that will just drive more engagement for your communities and hopefully more revenue for your brand. But yeah, that was just a quick demo of Blocksee's Connect plugin specifically for a Squarespace integration. And if you guys have any questions, be sure to let us know at info@blocksee.co or leave a comment below in the chat. We'd love to hear from you. Be sure to like, comment, share. And until next time, take care.